Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS. Today I'll show you how your student can retake a lesson or how can your student mark a lesson as incomplete after completed a lesson or course. So let's get started. First I'll show you that I have a course saving strategy, and in this course I have quiz, assignment, video content, audio content. So here you can see that these lessons are completed already and these are incompleted lesson. So we can see the difference between completed lesson and incompleted lesson. Also in our sidebar we can see these lessons are completed and these lessons are incompleted. So now if I visit one of my incompleted lesson, this one, I can see I have a more complete button yet here. So when students complete a task, they mark that lesson as complete. So now if I click on this mark complete button, I can see that these lessons are completed already and I get a notification that I have completed a lesson. So that's what I'm saying, that suppose your student completes the entire course and gets the certificate, but after some time he wants to repeat the procedure, so he will still able to access the content of the completed course, but it will look that all the lessons are completed. See, if I go back to these lessons again, we can see that we still have the download option. Also we have a text that lesson complete. Also we don't have the mark complete button now because these lessons already completed. So if you want your student to start the course again and they can mark their completed lesson as incomplete, what do? It's really simple. You have to just go to our dashboard, then LifterLMS, then make sure you have go to settings, then courses options. So we have to just enable this retake lesson box. Enabling this setting allows student to mark a lesson as incomplete after they have completed a lesson. So make sure you have clicked on save changes. So now if we go back our lesson, refreshed it, see here now we have the mark incomplete button. So now if I click on this mark incomplete button, we can see that these lessons are now marked as incompleted. So one thing is that if you don't want to provide the ability to your students that they can mark a lesson as incomplete, then don't worry, you can manually mark a lesson as incomplete by yourself. So just visit on your dashboard, LifterLMS, then reporting option. So here you have to select your students. So I will select Nadia Akhtar. So we have to go to courses. So here we can see all of the courses of Nadia Akhtar, and as I'm working on the saving strategy options. So here we can see that this lesson with achievement badge are incompleted. So now if I want, I can mark this lesson as complete. So we have to just click on this option. So here we can see that now this lessons mark as complete. Also if you want, you can mark this completed lesson as incomplete. You have to just click on this. See, these lessons are now marked as incomplete. So if you liked my video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.